Right. So I guess my question and what some people might be wondering is there a reason you haven't opted for built-in IP protection? I know some messengers might opt to do like a Tor onion routing, but then I assume that's just going to add a huge amount of complexity.
We're currently allowed to use the app with SOX proxies, and SOX proxy allows to abstract this transport network. So you can use, if you want to use Tor, you can use Tor. If you want to use I2P, you can use I2P, right? Or if you want to use some other design that we don't know about, you can potentially also use it, or you can use your own SOX proxies. We just think these problems should be, I think these problems should be kept separate. And by putting both protections in one app, we're not increasing the security, we are reducing it, right? Because there is nothing, there is no bulletproof things, right? Tor protection is not bulletproof. So, like, if we wanted optics and look like, we don't want to look like the most secure message. We want to provide actual, real security. And while optics of embedding Tor may look good for some people, reality is bad because it means that now we're responsible for shipping Tor code, right? Now we're responsible for security updates on Tor code. Now they depend on us to provide integrity of Tor code. To me, as a user, it all sounds like a horrible deal, right? Because if I want to trust Tor, I want to get Tor code from Tor developers, not from SimpleX developers, right? So they provide me the code, because in this case, that provides additional security. Even if I do make some mistake, then I have Tor to protect me, right? But that all kind of predicated on the fact that I get Tor code from Tor developers and not from, why would I, like, so I'm putting myself in the shoes of a user. Why would I trust me to ship me Tor? I don't develop Tor. Like, why should I embed it in the app? It looks like it looks good for non-technical people, but reality is it's bad. And for even non-technical users, the time it takes to start using SimpleX via Tor on Android device is exactly 1 minute. You go to the App Store or Play Store or F-Droid, you download Orbit app, you press start, then you go to, like, it's literally like, it's a 1 minute instruction. And if people find it technically complex, they honestly shouldn't use Tor at all. That's my strong opinion, because Tor has some limitations to its threat model. You have to understand the limitations to the threat model, right? If you think that this kind of install a second app is technically complex, you'll make so many mistakes with your AT security that Tor is not going to help you. It's only going to hurt. So I generally think that by embedding Tor, we're doing a bad service to our users in all means.
Got it.